Hi, today I will cover my project's functionality. Let's start with the first requirement, send an email. As soon as the email has been sent, the sent mailbox of the user will be loaded. The second requirement, Mailbox. When a user visits their inbox, sent mailbox, or archive, the appropriate mailbox is loaded. If the email is unread, it will appear with a white background, otherwise it will appear with a gray background. The third requirement, view email. When a user clicks on an email, they can view its contents. Once the email is clicked, it is marked as read. The fourth requirement, archive and unarchive. Allow users to archive and unarchive emails that they have received. Once an email is archived or unarchived, the user's inbox is loaded. Finally, the last requirement, reply. When the user clicks the reply button, they will be taken to the email composition form. This form is pre-populated with the appropriate data.